New research from Parks Associates shows for the first time online retailers dominate as the top channel for the most widely adopted smart home devices. Overall, more than 1/3 of U.S. broadband households own at least one smart home device. Our new research, Smart Home Consumer Purchases and Preferences, includes an analysis of COVID-19's impact on the smart home markets and provides insight into identifiable purchasing behaviors, including product and feature preferences among consumers. According to this quarterly survey work of 10,000 broadband households, the pandemic was finally the tipping point for online retailers, which had been trending towards the top channel position for years. Security dealers are an important secondary channel for smart safety and security devices, while HVAC contractors are an important channel for smart thermostats. Repeat buyers are still the top smart home customers, but at some point, this group will reach saturation. The mainstream volume portion of the market is still playing wait and see because they haven't been sufficiently convinced of the smart home value proposition. For more information on this new research, please contact our team today.